finally, El Salvador's initial $1 billion Bitcoin bond issue will take place between March 15th and March 20th, according to Finance Minister Alejandro Zelaya. Investors will be able to take part in the deal with as little as $100 with a 6.5% coupon using Liquid, a Bitcoin-based service created by Blockstream. Joining us now to discuss is Samson Mow, Chief Investment Officer at Blockstream. Hello there, Samson. Thanks for joining us as well. So the Bitcoin bond is coming, and when you were last on CoinDesk here with us, you told us $300 million worth of soft commitments were made. Do you have an update on those numbers? Any hard commitments?
There's a lot of interest, and the Bitfinex team has stopped taking commitments after 500 million. So I think the focus now is working with issuer in El Salvador to work on their key information document, which will outline the specific investment details of the volcano bond. And then they'll probably have a sign-up form or something where people can register and put their names on the list. Just a correction, though, I'm the Chief Strategy Officer, not Investment Officer.
Sorry about that, Chief Strategy Officer. We got to correct that. All right. Where are these commitments coming from? Are they pension funds, sovereign wealth funds? What is the trend are you seeing?
From what I'm seeing, it's just wealthy Bitcoiners, Bitcoin whales, and crypto companies, crypto hedge funds. I think the pension funds, institutional money will come later. Everyone's watching to see how the first volcano bond goes and just making sure everything works perfectly. And then I think the more risk-averse players will come in at a later date.
Right. I also hear the Bitcoin bond is actually a way to de-risk Bitcoin investments because you only share the gains and not the losses. The Bitcoin bond gives 25% upside, but no Bitcoin downside. Is that correct?
It's a 6.5% coupon, and after the first 5 years, El Salvador will recoup 500 million that was used to buy the Bitcoin initially. So there's 500 million that is allocated to buy Bitcoin for the bond. And after that 5-year mark, and after that recouping of 500 million, they will share all the Bitcoin upside, 50% with the bondholders, and that's called the Bitcoin dividend. So it's like an extra coupon on top of the 6.5%.
In terms of risk of default, is it at the cost of El Salvador's risk of default?
I think it's just the 6.5% is in line with typical bond benchmarks now, and right now it's under inflation indexes, but I don't think it has anything to do with the default risk. And the issuer in this case is actually Lajeo. It's the geothermal plant, geothermal company in El Salvador.
Do you have an official launch date, Samson?
No, I'm just waiting along with everyone else. I believe the law, the new digital securities issuance law will go to their Congress in the coming week or two. And then the Minister Zelaya has said the bonds will go live in March 15th to 20th. So I'm sticking with that timeline.